Welcome, future scientists. Today we're diving into the world of data science. Imagine being a detective, but instead of fingerprints, you're searching for clues in information. Called data. Data is everywhere in your games, videos, and even the weather report. Data science is the process of using computers and your brain to find stories and answers hidden in all that data. Why does it matter? Data helps us make smarter choices, like doctors finding better treatments or companies inventing new toys. It's not just about numbers, it's about using them to make life better and more fun. Data science mixes computer programming, statistics, and curiosity. You get to ask big questions and use data to find the answers, like predicting which movie will be a hit. Anyone can get started. All you need is curiosity and a love for solving puzzles. Data science gives you the tools to discover real answers about the world. Ready to explore? The world of data is waiting for you. Every data science project is an adventure, and every adventurer needs a map. First, collect your data, like gathering clues from surveys, sensors, or online likes. Next, clean your data. Real-world data is messy, so you fix mistakes and fill in gaps. With clean data, it's time to analyze. Look for patterns, make charts, and connect the dots. This is where you become a detective, exploring and discovering the story your data tells. Finally, share your findings. Turn your discoveries into a clear message, maybe a report or a cool graph. The goal? Help others understand your results so they can make better decisions. You've completed your quest and brought back valuable knowledge. Data science is about exploring, discovering, and sharing what you learn. Every step brings you closer to solving real-world mysteries. Ready for your own quest? To be a great data scientist, you need the right tools and skills. First up, programming. Python is a popular language that helps you collect, clean, and analyze data quickly. Next, statistics. It's about understanding numbers, like averages and trends, to make sense of your data. You don't need to be a math whiz. Just learn the basics to ask smart questions and understand answers. Problem solving is key. Data science is like solving puzzles. Sometimes you try, fail, and try again. Great data scientists are creative and persistent, always looking for new ways to tackle challenges. Curiosity drives discovery. Always ask why and what if to explore data in new ways. Communication is just as important. You need to explain your findings clearly, often with charts or stories. Being a great storyteller helps others understand your discoveries. With these tools, programming, statistics, problem solving, curiosity, and communication, you're ready for anything. Your toolkit is your superpower. Let's see it in action. Let's see data science in action. Your favorite streaming service uses data science to recommend shows by analyzing what you watch and like. In sports, teams use data to track players and plan winning strategies. Coaches study data to find strengths, weaknesses, and the best game plans. In healthcare, doctors use data to spot diseases earlier and test new medicines faster. Computers can even analyze medical images to help save lives. Online shopping uses data science to show you products you might like based on your browsing. Ever see ads for sneakers after looking at them once? That's data science. Data is quietly working behind the scenes in so many parts of our lives. From entertainment to health to shopping, data science is everywhere. It helps us make better choices and discover new things. The world runs on data, and now you know how. Excited about data? There are so many careers in data science. Data scientists are the ultimate detectives, asking questions, building models, and sharing results in every industry. Data analysts turn data into stories, helping businesses make smart decisions with charts and dashboards. Machine learning engineers build the smart systems behind things like movie recommendations and self-driving cars. These roles shape the future from healthcare to entertainment. The world creates more data every day, and we need curious minds to make sense of it. Start your journey. Stay curious, play with data, and try coding. Data science is about discovery, and your adventure starts now. You have the power to use data to understand and change the world. Go get 'em, scientist!